I want to take a look at an item that I bought some time ago. You get 75 per pack. You get 4 packs, and it's a flossing tool. And these make a whole lot more sense than the other ones that are sideways. These you hold from the front, you can get all the way to the back. Those other ones are useless. And so anyways, we're going to take a look at these. They're packaged real nice. To open them, all you've got to, I'm not going to open this one up because I want to wait until I need that. But you just pull this back, and then it's got a, what you call it, sealing tab here. And like I said, they're packed nice. You can see how they're all in there. So let's take a look at these and tell you why I like these. Now these are only $15.99 for a 4-pack, so 75 times 4, $15.99. It's a hell of a deal. Now these are mint flavored. It's got a pick on the one end and your flosser on the other, and it's very ergonomic, easy to hold. And you know, here's the front of your mouth, so your front teeth you can get like this, and as you work your way back, it makes sense to have it like this where you can get behind in the back of your teeth, be it the bottom or the top. Now here's some flossing picks by the same company, Gum, but as you can see, this style just is not conducive to getting to the rear teeth very easy. Don't like this design at all. And what's nice is these are resealable to keep them clean. So guys, this is definitely an excellent design. I like them. I think you'll be satisfied.